Welcome to Deep Sea Dive. In this episode we will discuss what the isblank and isspace functions do, look at examples of how they are used, and create our own implementations of these functions. Isblank function tells us if a given character is a blank character. That is, it tells us if the character is a space or a horizontal tab character. The C17 ISO standard gives the function prototype and a description of what the isblank function should do. The isspace function tells us if a given character is a space character. That is, it tells us if the character is a tab, new line, vertical tab, form feed, carriage return, or a space. The C17 ISO standard gives the function prototype and a description of what the isspace function should do. Isblank and isspace take an integer value as input, and as output will give a non-zero value which represents true if the input is a space or a tab character, and additionally for the isspace function a non-zero value for the new line, vertical tab, form feed, and carriage return characters. Otherwise the output is 0, which represents false. For example, isblank will return a non-zero value for character inputs of space and tab, and a 0 value for the character inputs of a and \n or the new line character. The isspace function will return a non-zero value for character inputs of space, tab, and the new line character, and will return a 0 value for the character input of a. Our implementation will support the standard ANSI ASCII values. The tab character has an ASCII value of 9. The other space characters have ASCII values ranging from 10 to 13, and the space character itself has a value of 20. We implement the isblank function by checking if the input character C is equal to the space or the tab character, and then we implement the isspace function by checking if the input character C is a blank character using the previously defined function, or if it lies between the new line character and the carriage return characters inclusive. That's everything for this episode, and I'll see you in the next one.